guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. In today's episode, I'm gonna talk about keto-friendly coffee. So many of you have already known that I'm on keto diet, and this is my 4th month on keto diet. So before starting ketogenic diet, I was very addicted to white coffee. So my coffee is very high in sugar. So this is the one that I used to drink. So this is white coffee. It tastes really good. It's very creamy and it's very sweet. And it contains 18.5 grams of sugar. So it's very high carb and it's very high content of sugar. It's very bad for health. One day I drank 2 cups of this and I was very addicted to this. This is one of my trigger why I gained a lot of weight, and I realized that I didn't gain weight just because of after giving birth. I gained weight because of my eating habits and of my sugar addiction. I took the courage and take up the keto diet, and it was a very amazing journey. Keto is my lifestyle right now. So I hope today's episode is going to be helpful for those that are interested to start keto diet. My very first meal was bulletproof coffee. So I am a coffee lover. I have a very big problem of finding a suitable coffee for myself. I don't see any samples in the supermarket offering people just one sachet to try. So what I did was I go around and buy small bottles of instant coffee like this to try out the taste. This is my first one that I tried. So what I did was I add a tablespoon of butter. So that was my very first meal. Bulletproof coffee are supposed to keep you full for longer. It is a very good way to start your morning, and it can be your breakfast replacement. So the idea of bulletproof coffee is created by Dave Asprey. He claims that this 450 calorie brew suppresses your hunger, promotes weight loss, and improves energy and performance. That is why this bulletproof coffee is so popular right now. So making a bulletproof coffee is very easy. You just need to blend your coffee with MCT oil and butter, and this bulletproof coffee can last you for the whole morning.
MCT oil is a purified form of saturated fatty acids. It typically comes from a mix of coconut oil and palm oil. The benefits of MCT oil are rapid weight loss, suppresses hunger, digests easily, more brain power, strengthens the gut, and boosts your workouts.
So let me share with you the taste. The taste of combining the butter, coffee, and the coconut oil. It's very oily. It's not something that I would drink every day. I keep on searching for a good recipe of keto coffee. I found some recipes online and people are asking me to put in some unsweetened almond milk. It will make the coffee more creamy. So I mix the almond milk and coconut milk. At the point of time, I was already keto adapted, so it is fine to drink some heavy cream. So it's either I put in coconut milk or heavy cream. But I was still on the lookout for a more creamier and a taste which is similar to this. So recently I've stumbled upon this MCT coffee. It caught my eye because it's MCT and coffee. The next best thing is the blend is Arabica and Robusta coffee. So I was very intrigued and I was very keen in trying this out. And the best thing is this is in powder form. It's very easy for me to bring it out. So it's in powder form and it smells so good. I'm very selective in terms of choosing my coffee. Certain tastes like those a bit sourish coffee, I will stay away. So the taste of this is really nice. Even the color is different. The color is more creamy and it looks very cappuccino to me. The taste is very earthy. I guess the taste of earthy and peanutty comes from the Robusta blend. And I find this is the first time that I'm trying Arabica and Robusta coffee blend. Arabica is on the sweeter and softer taste, whereas Robusta is a more earthy and peanutty taste. So they both blend pretty well. 3 months of searching high and low for a coffee that suit my taste, I finally found the coffee that I definitely can stick to it. And this can be my breakfast replacement as well, because after drinking this, it lasted me for several hours. I wouldn't say that it lasted me for the whole morning. At most, it lasted me for 3 hours, but which is good enough because I usually have my breakfast around 9 a.m. So if it lasts me 3 hours, it's good enough for me to have my lunch at 12 p.m. And one scoop contains 12.5 gram of powders, and the content of the MCT oil is very high. Total of the MCT oil is 7 grams. So 7 gram out of 12.5 gram are actually MCT oil. So as you can see the oil after a while floats on top of your coffee. Yeah. I'm really happy that I stumbled upon this brand. So I'll leave their website down in the description below. So this product is marketed by Nature's Finest, and right now they are offering my viewers a 5% discount store-wide. So to check out their product, they do offer some health supplements as well. Please use SuperMomTV as a promo code if you are to purchase this coffee from Nature's Finest. I've heard so much good thing about MCT oil, and if you are trying to get yourself keto adapted fast, it is good for you to consume MCT oil daily. I did a very big cheat meal and I had a whole slice of ice cream cake. I was kicked out from Ketosis. I was very sad and I felt very guilty. It spiked my insulin level. So fortunately, a few days later, I had this coffee and I had this for about 2 days, and I am back in ketosis. With such a heavy cheat meal, I would expect myself to get back into ketosis like after 3 or 4 days. But I got back into ketosis on the second day. So I've made these 2 different types of coffee. I'm going to let my husband have a taste test, so see which one that he prefers. So my husband is a coffee lover, but he's not in keto diet. So I'll let him try 2 different types of coffee and see which one that he prefers. Okay, so there are these 2 coffee A and B. So you try coffee A first. Okay, then you try coffee B now. Okay, so let me ask you, which one do you prefer?
B.
B, why?
Nicer.
Nicer?
More aromatic.
Oh, okay. And what do you think of A?
Bit oily.
Oily, okay. A bit oily. And how about the taste? Is it very bitter?
Not aromatic.
Not aromatic. Okay, Ken. So yeah, you're right. The one that you choose, so you prefer B, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the B one is this one actually. So even people that is not in keto diet, they can drink. Anyone can drink this MCT coffee. So yeah, so it's proven. Okay, thank you. So yeah, coffee A, as you can see my husband's disgusted face. I put some Nescafe and just a very little virgin coconut oil and a bit of unsweetened almond milk. So this is the concoction that he tried just now, and the verdict is very oily. Yes, this is the problem. If you add separately virgin coconut oil to your coffee, it will be very oily. Even if you put just the butter itself, it will be very oily. So that is why yeah, so that is the reason why I don't like to drink the coffee previously. I don't like the butter and the oil coffee because it's really very oily. But for the MCT coffee that I recommended, it's not oily at all. It's so smooth and so aromatic, and it's creamy at the same time, so it's the really perfect coffee for me. So guys, I hope that you learned something about keto coffee today. Down in the description box below, I will be doing a Q&A Friday this Friday. So I really hope that you submit some questions to me, especially for those that keto dieters out there, and also for those that are interested in starting keto journey. Click here and here if you want to watch my 90-day keto transformation, as well as what this keto diet is all about. And click here to subscribe to me. Don't forget to click the little bell so that you will be notified every time a new video is out. I upload 3 videos every single week. I will see you this Friday. Bye bye!